Oh, hello! This is Drew with Michigan Adventure Life. On this video, we're going to go over a brief plan and the trail maps for our upcoming 4-night adventure into the Nordhouse Dunes Wilderness System in the Manistee National Forest. If you like this video, please remember to give it the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Alright guys, let's start with the Nordhouse Dunes brochure put out by the National Forest Service. This brochure gives you a lot of the features of the area, as well as the rules, the conducts and ethics, as well as GPS coordinates to the trailheads. You can see the trail map here, the Nuremberg trailhead at the peak of the points, and the tiny little Nordhouse lake that we intend to camp on our first night. The reason this spot is so popular with many is because it lies directly between Ludington State Park and Manistee, Michigan, two of the more popular coastal ports on Lake Michigan. It's also one of the only places where the Manistee National Forest stretches all the way to the Lake Michigan coast and remains open for public use. As you can see, you can actually follow the nice sandy beaches located between the two areas, and as we zoom in, the Nordhouse Dunes Wilderness Area pops up. We zoom in more, and there's that little lake. Now let's go over to the ArcGIS map from the Michigan DNR. As you can see, I've already selected it, and it's got its trails pulled up. We'll zoom in slightly so that you can see what's going on. So there's the little lake, and here's the trail systems around there. Now this is where the Nuremberg trailhead starts, but this time we're going to be trying a trailhead a little bit further up the road. This allows a more direct level hike directly into the far side of Nordhouse Lake, where there's already an established camp. To find out the exact distances of these trails, we're going to select the ruler tool and then the measurement, and we're going to start, instead of at the Nuremberg trailhead, we're going to start over here. That's our first point. We're going to hike in and around the backside of Nordhouse Lake, and that's where we're going to spend our first night. It's only 0.7 miles in from that point, and as we know, it's actually about the same distance from the other trailhead with lots of up and down. We're really hoping to avoid the hills. From there, the next day, we plan to pack up, leave a base camp, and then hike out to the beach and try and hike the beach up to another spot that we've found in the National Forest just south of Manistee. We don't know the exact location on this map, but we found it with GPS coordinates before, and we'll be sure to mark it this time. It's one of our favorite locations. It's just not mapped, and we'd really like to get it there. To check the weather for this trip, we'll go to Weather Underground. We always look at Free Soil, Michigan. While Ludington and Manistee both have marks, Free Soil, Michigan seems to be the most accurate weather for the Nordhouse Dunes Wilderness Station, as the area station happens to rely directly in the Nordhouse Dunes. Going to the 10-day calendar, we intend to leave Saturday and return Thursday. We might get a little bit of rain and some snow in the middle, but we're certainly prepared for all of that with our gear. To learn more about our gear, stay tuned for our gear loadout video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please remember to follow us on our other media pages at MIAdventureLife. Thank you.